Hi students, welcome to a new session of computer. Today we are going to understand a new topic, that is action buttons. Action buttons. Have you heard of the word action buttons? So they are some built-in shapes that is already there in shapes. You can insert there in your slide, and using that you can do many actions. So action buttons. Using action buttons. That is the topic you are going to study today. How to insert action buttons, what is the use of action button, and using action buttons, what are the operation we can do. So first of all we can understand the definition of action button. What are action buttons? So action buttons are built-in shapes which you can add to a presentation and set a link to another slide, play a sound, or perform some other action. So let me explain once again. Action buttons are built-in shapes. Okay, already there. Built-in means already there in shapes. And you can add that action buttons on your slide. And what is the use of it? By using that, using the action button, you can connect one slide to another slide, or at the same time you can play a sound, or you can perform some other actions. So that is about action buttons. Action buttons are built-in shapes which you can add on your presentation, and using that you can connect from one slide to another slide, or you can play a sound, or you can perform some other actions. That's about action buttons. So first of all you can see where is action button and what is the step to insert action buttons. Same as earlier, insert tab, choose option shapes. Within shapes you have one category, action buttons. Insert tab, shapes, action buttons. In that category you have different buttons are there. Which one you want to insert in your slide, you can choose that and insert on your particular slide. With the help of a video, we are going to see that inserting action button. Here I created one PowerPoint presentation with 5 different slides. 5 different slides are there. First slide contains 4 main points, main headings like animation, transition, slide and presentation. And in the coming slides, second, third, fourth and fifth, we have given the definition of each one. In the second slide, we have written definition of animation, third one transition, fourth one what is slide, and the fifth one what is presentation. We have given the definition of each one in different slides. All these terms we are using in this chapter related with PowerPoint. Once again see, first slide that contains the main points like animation, transition, slide and presentation. The main points are given in the first one. Second one, the definition of animation is given. Third one, what is transition, and the next is written about slide, and the last slide contains what is presentation. So we have given the definitions on each slide, and the main headings are on the first page, first slide. In the first slide, let me insert action button from insert tab, shapes. See the steps? Insert tab, shapes. Choose option shapes. Click on the down arrow. Different categories are there. The last category is action buttons. The last category in the list, that is action buttons. So you will get a list of action buttons there. Choose the particular one that you want to insert on your slide. So I chosen one. And let me insert, drag and place it there. Just drag means left mouse button down and move it. Once you place the action button, you will get a dialog box, action settings dialog box, where hyperlink to option is active there. Hyperlink to. There you will get hyperlink means connecting to some other page or slide. You have a down arrow. Click on the down arrow and you will get one option, slide. You will get next slide, previous slide, and but we want to connect to a particular slide, to a specific slide. So choose the option slide. So which are the slides present in your presentation, all the slides are coming. To which one you want to connect? Click on the first one, animation. So I am going to click on the first one, animation, and click on OK and click on OK here also. Then come okay. If you want to play some sound along with that, you can have it play sound. Here you are getting a list of sounds. You can choose from there. If you want to play sound along with this, it's optional. So just right side of animation, you insert one action button, that blue color right arrow, that is one action button. Let me insert one more. Shapes, action button, choose a particular action button that you want to insert. Place it on the particular place on your slide where you want to insert. You can move it anywhere. And link to, hyperlink to, connect to which slide? Here we can connect to the slide on which the definition of transition is written. The slide on which definition of transition is written, they are connected to that one. So next one more action button from shapes. Choose action button, anyone you can choose that you like, and place it anywhere on the slide. So I am just placing just right side of slide, and here I am going to connect to or hyperlink to the slide or the specific slide on which the definition of slide is written. Where the definition of slide is written. Okay, click on OK button and come back to your main slide. Just right side of presentation also, let me add one more action button and let it connect to the slide on which the definition of it is written. Drag and place. Once you place, you are getting that dialog box automatically. Choose the option slide. From this list, choose option slide, and the slide on which the definition of presentation is written, choose that. Click on OK and come back to this one. So now everything is ready. 4 action buttons are placed just right side of each main points. Okay, and here you can see whether it's connecting or not. Press F5, you will get on a full screen. Press F5 and click on the action button. You can see that the mouse arrow changes. Mouse arrow changes to a hand shape. When your mouse is placed on the action button, it changes to hand shape. Click over that. So it's directly connected to another slide. Connected to another slide where the animation definition is written. And the next action button, just click on that. Click on the action button. So now it will connect to the slide where the transition is written. Yes, where the particular definition of transition is written, that is connected there. Same way you can see the other action buttons as well. Just go back. Click on the third action button. This one we are connected to the slide on which the definition is written of slide. What is slide? So that will connect to the slide on which the definition of slide is written. Yes, slide, a page in a presentation. Page in a presentation. From this we can understand action buttons are used to connect from one slide to another slide. Correct? Action buttons are used to connect from one slide to another slide. At the same time, you can play sound also. Let me click on presentation. Now you can see that the slide on which presentation, what is presentation? Collection of slides arranged in a sequential order to convey new ideas effectively. So by this, action buttons are over. Okay, action button means they are built in shapes. They are available in shapes. How to take action buttons? Insert, shapes, action buttons. They are used to link to another slide. Link from one slide to another slide, or you can play sound, or you can perform some other actions. So action buttons are built in shapes. They are available in shapes. So you have to choose insert, shapes, action buttons. You can place it and connect to hyperlink. Hyperlink means we are connecting from one slide to another slide. Just how to see the result? Press F5. Press F5 key On the top of the keyboard you will get F1, F2, F3 like that. So press F5 key. So the slide comes on the full screen. Click on the action button. Now you can see that it's just connected to the particular slide on which we are connecting, that get opened. That is about action buttons. Okay, only this much for today. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, you take care. Bye.